Use the Notion app to improve productivity and project management by displaying your Notion boards on screen. This app is also compatible with interactivity if displayed on a touchscreen. Go to the Apps tab and create a new app. Select Notion. Give the app a name and an optional description. Then copy and paste your Notion board URL here. Set the zoom factor and toggle on auto scroll if you want. You can set a fallback image which will be displayed in case the player goes offline. This ensures your displays won't show a blank screen. You can set the default duration for how long the app will appear in a playlist here. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Then click Save and your app will be ready to display. Simply add the app to your screen content, click Push to Players, and the app will be showing in no time.